Male peacocks will display themselves like that to attract potential mates. Those two are the females. They're not paying any attention to them. Very similar to me when I go out to the bars. So. Castelo de Sao Jorge. You can tell by the amount of sun. I'm not in Poland anymore. I'm in Lisbon, Portugal. And I'm checking out an old castle that costs 10 euros. So $11, $12. Not bad. Looks pretty sweet though.
Oh, there's the bridge.
Yeah. Actually a pretty impressive castle, so definitely recommend this over some of the ones that you saw in England costing even more money. So not sure what these are, but they look like the world's most adorable little baby cannons. So if somebody's probably like 20 feet away, I'm sure that's effective. Little fountains. Got a peacock right there. He's chilling. She's chilling. That's a female one. Fairly certain. You can actually hear those from our Airbnb also.
It's good to have in
Huh?
on 2 videos.
Oh, on 2 videos? Oh, Filmception. She's also filming. This one's much prettier. Marta, say hi. Everybody, this is Marta. She's from Estonia. She's traveling Portugal with me. We're gonna get some wine to power up and make the content better on the video. I don't know if you can see them in the video, but there's just peacocks all over that tree right there. Power ups with some wine. I think those are called a nata. They're kind of like the traditional Portuguese custard pastry. My battery's at 20%, so probably finish up filming here. And then I'll film more in Lisbon tomorrow. Inside the walls of the castle. And we're already at 15% battery, so. Castle wine. Taller towers from the castle. Really killing stair game too. You can see the church over there. Let's see. I guess I could tell a funny joke, funny story. Do my best. It's probably not even that funny. You see that white building right there? Those top 2 windows with the shutters. That's actually our Airbnb. The one on the left is the bathroom. And every time I've gone and taken a shower or anything, I just assume that everybody can see me naked who are up here in the castle, but I guess that's not the case. That's always refreshing to know that a lot of strangers haven't seen my penis through a window, so. The Field Falcon. Great name for that. Nice. Well, got pooped on by a pigeon. Kitties, castle kitties. And the peacock over here, just chilling. Who knew that birds and cats could be friends? It's like a Looney Tune thing. I don't think that cat really wants to be friends. I think that cat wants to fight him, but this guy's just chilling. That kitty's just chilling. Meow meow. Hello, my sweet baby. Oh, you're a sweetie. You're a sweet kitty. Peacock doesn't care, he's just eating cornbread. 1 cannon, 2 cannon, 3 cannon, me. It's like a bad Dr. Seuss story. Kinda cool. Cannons to defend the castle, overlooking the hill. Lisbon, Portugal. And that concludes all that I'm going to be able to film today, as my battery's about dead. All in all, not a bad trip to the castle. Got pooped on by a pigeon. Saw a peacock in full plumage. Yeah.